it already?
Oh, there's also a
Cute.
Oh, there's a try me button, isn't there? Is this push
I don't
or
think
push?
we'd have any D's.
Push. Push
I'm
or
surprised she
what?
doesn't.
Ooh.
No, she used to sell that stuff. She didn't have.
Oh, look at it!
Oh, that's cool.
Something to get my fingers caught in.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, I could just imagine that now. Thanks.
Nah,
That's what aunts and uncles are
She's
for.
like, give it to me.
Removable gears. Okay, I'm gonna be removing all of them.
Rearrange them.
Hey.
Push here. Push the button.
Why doesn't that one work?
It's not attached to anything that's big.
We need to get it to work.